All right, here's our new rev unit for the diesel truck market. We've been actually working on this for about 2 years on program software, writing software, and of course making hardware. But I just wanted to show you, this is the new addition to the rev here. Fully programmable, runs through GPS. It's also remotely, we can actually turn it on and off or change settings. And that's real simple in installation. As you can see, there's a GPS wire, sensor wire, which hooks into the turbo pressure. Everything's really nicely loomed. We also added this feature just to keep things from falling down on the cell. Pretty much the same system. The only thing difference is we've got the microcontroller in a completely sealed enclosure here. So this thing can handle like full blast water. So this is one, this is two, this is our actual smaller system. As you can see, it's just a little bit smaller cell compared to this one right here. I'm getting ready to send 4 of these out to a new company that we're starting with in another country. Again, rev controller. Of course, the sensors. We have 3 or 4 sensors. There's basically 3 microcontrollers in here. I mean, this thing does a lot. But again, we've been doing this for over 10 years. I think we're about 11 years now, and been very successful with these units. And now the new addition is fully programmable, so we can tune it with the ECU. Big step for us because we've gotten way better results with this controller. Anyways, just thought I'd do a quick little video to show people that we're still doing stuff around here. Central Valley HHL. Thanks. Bye.